This is a test of my new chop saw. It's a piece of 3/8 of an inch pipe by about 1 3/4 inches. Start